If you're looking for a syrup separator for your Lancer model for 1900 soda machine, here are some good candidate parts, but you'll want to verify compatibility with your specific machine valve size, style, flow rate, ratio before ordering. A quick summary of each. Lancer 540201 03 SP syrup separator assembly GMV 4.5, 4 GMV 4.5 machines. Good quality genuine part. Lancer 108900 syrup separator S-tube FM, alternate style S-tube FM variant. Lancer syrup separator GMV 4.5 ounces valves, specifically 4 GMV 4 of this valve configuration. Lancer syrup separator Levy GMV 3.0 Oz. Valves. For smaller valve models 3.0 ounces, if your 4900 uses that configuration. Lancer separator assembly syrup nozzle 80 to 6574 SP. A nozzle style separator assembly 8 to 657 for SP. Lancer juice machine syrup separator S-tube 108900, another listing of the 108900 part. Lancer syrup separator assembly 80 to 6574 SP, same 8 to 657 for SP variant. Lancer juice machine separator assembly syrup GMV 3.0, 4 GMV 3.0. Make sure to verify valve size/shot size. Is it 3.0 ounces or 4.5 ounces? As seen, parts differ for GMV 3.0 versus GMV 4.5. Valve type. Is your machine using GMV style valves LEV or another style? Part number. Cross-check the part number in your machine's manual or parts list. Physical fit. Mounting. The separator needs to fit the existing nozzle, valve geometry. Ratio settings. Verify that the separator supports the needed syrup. Water ratio for your mix. Ohm versus aftermarket. Prefer genuine Lancer OEM parts if possible. Better compatibility. And reliability. For example, one listing mentions genuine OEM part LAN 108900. My recommendation if I were to pick one best option for a general case unless you know you have the 3.0 ounces variant, I'd choose the 5401 03 SPGMV 4.5 because it seems a broadly used configuration with good specification. If you find your machine has the smaller 3.0 ounces valve, then go with the 3.0 variant. Also keep the S-tube 108900 in mind as a backup if the style matches.